If you hold XDC, you need to hear this because we are on the brink of a massive rally. In Dino coins like XRP, HBAR, and XLM are already setting the stage. XDC and others like QNT are set to follow. And it's been 8 months since my last video on XDC, so we're going to cover everything trade finance, real world asset tokenization, and the price that we have right now. So if you just enjoy the XDC videos or hold XDC, be sure to leave a like down below. With that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so first I want to announce the giveaway that is taking place for reaching 11k subscribers, and also just to everyone who continues to watch going into the new year. So it's going to be a giveaway of XDC, the topic of today's video, and to enter you have to be subscribed to the channel, leave a like down below, and comment down below XDC. The winner will be announced towards the end of the week. Now it's only $50 worth of XDC, but we've done many giveaways on the channel before, mainly for XRP in the year of 2022, where the price was 40 cents, and we're well up over 5x from those price points. So it could be worth a lot more in the future, and be sure to enter down below. Moving on to the first topic of discussion, we have trade finance. So much has happened. First, HSBC, World Bank IFC launch 1 billion trade finance program. And this program is supporting trade transactions in Asia, Africa, Latin America, and the Middle East, and is addressing the trade finance gap estimated to be around $2.5 trillion. Remember, XDC is also addressing this gap. They are in the TFD initiative alongside HSBC. And XDC is also working to close this gap with TradeFinex, right? TradeFinex utilize the XDC network to digitize trade finance instruments such as invoices and letters of credit. And they adhere to the MLETR, but the Model Law Electronic Transferable Record. So XDC is the only layer 1 chain active in trade finance with MLETR. There's truly not another project like this. And aside from trade finance, since the last XDC video, a lot of progress has been made in terms of real world asset tokenization. This is a big narrative in this cycle, and I believe it's going to be the biggest narrative in the next cycle because we're talking about the tokenization of everything, making these illiquid assets liquid, right? It's projected to be worth around 16 trillion by 2030, and XDC specifically has had a partnership with ARC-AX, right? This is the FCA's, or UK's first FCA regulated digital securities exchange broker and custodian, and they're enabling financial institutions to have access to real world assets. And finally, we can see this with Investa, a leading real world asset tokenization platform launching on the XDC network, making tokenization accessible to businesses worldwide. But XDC is designed for fast, low cost transactions, which is crucial to these high volume tokenized markets. If XDC can capture a small portion of this market by powering these tokenization platforms through fees, transactions, and just on-chain activity, it will increase the price. And XDC is everywhere at the Abu Dhabi Finance Week, talking about blockchain and real-world asset tokenization. Finally, the price. No one is talking about the price increase that we are seeing because everyone is distracted by XRP. We have just broken 10 cents. We are breaking the 2024 all-time highs, and we are less than a 2x away from the actual all-time high. Now remember, this has been done without tier 1 exchange listings. Other projects near XDC in market cap like Maker are listed on Binance, a tier 1 exchange. You have PIF Network listed on Binance. These are still catalysts in play. And a lot of these tokens that done well in 2017, 2021 have been forgotten about. It takes time for them to, finally build a little bit of momentum and people catch on and remember about the tokens that was once there. And when XRP breaks all-time high, I do believe we will see a Dino coin rotation, like these tokens that done well in 2017 and 2021. even more predominantly the X tokens, right? XRP, XLM, and XDC, and XDC itself has the most room for growth. Now, I don't hold as much as I did in the past, but I still hold some, and I'm glad to see this project finally get the recognition it deserves. So that is pretty much it for today's video. A lot of moves have been made in trade finance as a whole, which is going to benefit XDC, and moves individually with XDC on real world asset tokenization. Be sure to let me know down below, do you still hold XDC? And with that said, I will see you guys in the next one.